let's explore the impressive features of the CZUR StarryHub meeting projector. This device is equipped with a Rockchip processor, providing robust performance with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. With about 21 GB free, you have plenty of space for apps and files. One of the standout features is its ability to support 108 resolution, ensuring that your presentations and videos are sharp and clear. You can easily project content from various sources, whether it's a laptop, smartphone, or directly from the projector itself. The CZUR StarryHub also comes pre-installed with essential applications like Zoom, Microsoft, Netflix, and YouTube. This means you can conduct meetings, showcase documents, or enjoy movies without needing additional devices. The user-friendly interface allows for seamless navigation between applications. Additionally, it supports wireless connections, making it easy to connect your devices without the hassle of cables. This projector is designed for versatility. Whether you're in a conference room or at home,